Minetek can offer the full package. So as you say, supply, ship to site, and to have our own installation teams go there and put that on the machines. Now, that doesn't mean we just do one machine at a time. It may mean that the mine site says, we've just completed one, for example, 24 machines had to be finished in 5 weeks because they had to get the mine up and going. But an operative mine might say, I just want to pull one truck out at a time. And can you do one truck at a time so it doesn't interrupt too much with the operations? The other alternative we have is if the site themselves have a very good engineering team that they want to put the kits on themselves.
Okay.
Minetek can provide a foreman or a supervisor there, at least to do the first few trucks. It is very, very important that these kits are installed properly so that they're sealed. Any fixings that are needed are done properly so there's no vibration entering through the truck, because again, that has a noise factor. But 2 scenarios there, we can offer the complete package or we can work with the mine's own engineering team.